You're not lazy. You're protecting yourself. Every time you procrastinate, your brain thinks it's saving you. But saving you from what? You sit down to work. The task is right there. And suddenly, you clean, you scroll, you plan instead of doing. And hours disappear. At night, guilt shows up. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll be disciplined. Here's the truth. Your brain hates emotional pain more than failure. Tasks don't scare you. Feelings do. Fear, doubt, pressure. So your brain activates a shield, distraction. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's emotional self-defense, a quick escape from discomfort. The task appears. Your heart rate rises. Your brain whispers, this feels unsafe, so it pulls you away. Instant relief. But relief fades. Time is gone. Confidence drops. You don't feel lazy. You feel stuck. So stop fighting procrastination. Start listening to it. Ask a better question. What emotion am I avoiding? Name it. Fear, pressure, doubt. When emotion is named, it loses power. You don't need motivation. You need emotional safety. Start tiny. 5 minutes. One ugly attempt. No perfection. Show your brain, I can feel discomfort and survive. That's discipline. Focused people aren't fearless. They just stopped running. They sit with discomfort until it becomes strength. Courage becomes familiar. Next time you procrastinate, pause, name the feeling, start small, move anyway. Follow for psychology that actually works.